today we're gonna learn how to make the blowing fly rocket together. It's not difficult at all. It's very easy. If you are ready, let's go! And how to make the flying blowing rocket is very easy. You can get this by yourself. Just very simple thing that you need. First of all, you need some template. And you need a straw. There is two types of the straw. First is the paper straw, and the next one is the plastic one. Okay, and another thing that you need is some color. It can be colored pencil or the crayon, it's up to you. And we need some double-sided tape and some tape. That's all we need for today. Okay, if you are ready now, let's go. First of all, if you got a template, you need to color them. It can be any color that you like. Okay, I'm gonna start now. I'm gonna use my favorite color, which is the light green. I just color them like this. Guys, you can choose any color that you like. If you like pink, you choose pink color. If you like blue, choose them. Just choose any color that you like. It doesn't have to be like mine one. Just create your own. After you finish coloring them, the next step that you need to do, you need to cut through the dashed line around the shape. But this process, maybe you need help from your parents. Maybe the sister is too dangerous for you. But if you can do by yourself, just do it. Okay, I'm gonna start it now. Now my one is ready. What you need to do next is stick them with the straw. We got two types of straw. We're gonna stick them with the plastic straw with the little one like this in behind, okay? But right now what you need to do is tape the top of this plastic straw first. Tape them just like this. Just tape them like this. And another things that you need to do after, and this time we will use the double-sided tape to put them together. We're gonna put the tape on this little straw at the top of the straw like this, and gonna peel off like this and put them on our rocket like this. In the top part of the rocket, press them a little bit, make sure it stick together well, just like this. And here you go. We just put the paper straw inside, and you got the blowing flying rocket now. And now your blowing flying rocket is ready to play. Don't forget to share them with your friend too. Let's go playing outside. You guys enjoy with this activity, and don't forget it, if you want to have some more fun, don't forget to share it with your friend or your family, and see you next time.